Well, thank you again, guys, for joining me for another quick blog. In a previous blog, I discussed some of the secret things that only people who used to be in the Church of Christ would be able to know, especially about how certain hymns were changed to fit theology. Well, since then, I have dug some more of them up, and I would like to share them with you. Maybe some inconvenient facts that the COC would not like you to know. For example, we have this song here, "To God be the glory, great things he has done." And if we look at here on verse 2, the vilest offender who truly believes that moment from Jesus a pardon receives. Well, what does the hymns for worship song do? The second verse is changed to fit their theology. When buried with Jesus, a pardon receives. So there's one example of that hymn. The next hymn, Victory in Jesus. Here you have the second verse again. And somehow Jesus came and brought to me the victory, the original wording. What does hymns for worship do? I then obeyed his blessed commands and gained the victory. Now notice this song is still under copyright. This is clearly marked in the hymn book, and yet the wording was changed without permission from the author. One final one, perhaps the biggest one, from another book called The Sacred Selections of the Church. We have here the Amazing Grace, the original version, the second verse. How precious did that grace appear the hour I first believed. And what does this hymn book do? How precious did that grace appear when I his word obeyed. So here you have three examples of how, and at least one of a song it is still copyrighted, where lyrics are changed purposefully without any notes that the original song said otherwise, and still passing it off as the work of the original author. So in their effort to speak to one another in songs and hymns and spiritual songs, they are engaging in lying and possibly breaking copyright laws, which would, I guess, by their theology, send them to the hot place. More secrets of the Church of Christ revealed.